It's a whole piece of Manchurian tiger skin. It was an adult tiger. It's a whole piece of brown bear skin. It's made into a rug. That ivory is delicately carved. It's the 8 immortals crossing the sea. I'm at the China Customs Museum. Here are many rare treasures you just heard about and never saw. Let me show you the achievements of our customers' almighty thought. Watches in umbrella, drugs in shoes, a sapphire in a cigarette case, Hong Kong currency in a basket. Look, in 2003, hid the drug in mahjong, hid the drug in a hollowed book. You shall always keep a distance from drug. All drug dealers are the worst people. Look at the carvings of ivory. The brush pot is the most impressive. It's made on ivory by cutting it. This ivory is so refined. It's the 8 immortals crossing the sea. Apparently, it was going to be smuggled after being carved in China. It's a brutal thing because it is cut off from a living elephant. Now it's being cracked down on, so its amount is so few, not to mention such a carefully carved one. How much do you think it is? The ivory chess pieces is concealed essentially. It may be taken as an ordinary chess pieces, but what's the point of having ivory pieces? Can you just use wooden ones, like the golden Phoebe ones? You don't have to kill. The fossil of Confucius, it took hundreds of millions of years to form it. A Korean tried to smuggle it out of China in 2002. Check this out. They even smuggled panda skin. That is too vicious. It's our national treasure. They also smuggled the teeth of dinosaur. Over 6,000 dinosaur teeth were seized. It's a whole piece of Manchurian tiger skin. It was an adult tiger. This guy in Heilongjiang set a trap and caught a Manchurian tiger. Then he skinned it, tried to send it to Russia in a truck, and was intercepted by us. It's a whole piece of brown bear skin is made into a rug. To think someone smuggled a small leopard after killing it. They're all national first-class protected animals. If you do it, you'll be shot. And the red coral, because it grows very slowly, it's also a rare creature which shall be protected and cannot be smuggled. The extravagances on that wall are also seized. Take a look. A flip phone for the new money. Customs doesn't just handle smuggling of rare stuff, but those things. They delivered depleted trash in containers from abroad, so we should deal with it. It's literally a nasty behavior. The jewel in the crown, the plaque of Jinghai New Customs, and it is the original one, not a replica. A replica written by Li Hongzhang when its building was expanded. Besides, in the turbulent times, it was hidden in a coal pile by the workers to survive, so you can still see it right now. 2 questions. Check the word Hai out. Its left falling stretches out compared with the present form. What's more, the vertical of Zhang in Li Hongzhang also stretches out upward. Why is that? Turn right when we left the door. There is a holy cow. Hey, it's the Customs Cruiser 902. A real one is placed here. It retired in 2009 and dealt with over 1,000 smuggling cases. The amount of money involved was 350 million. It also received many leaders of our country, a star among the Customs Cruiser, since this place lies in the second ring road of Beijing. I guess they placed the cruiser here first, and then built this building. Thumbs up for our customs.